welcome to my video series Study the Lesson Before You Listen To. Today we are going to talk about past perfect and we are going to analyze Over the Hills and Far Away by NIGHTWISH. If you're interested, keep watching. My name is Daniela and I'm an English teacher. I try to promote songs as a way and a useful tool for learning a language. So if you're interested in music and in studying English, consider subscribing to my channel. Let's look at the first part of the song. They came for him one winter's night. Arrested, he was bound. They said there'd been a robbery. His pistol had been found. Let's look at the third sentence. They said there'd been a robbery. Try to identify past perfect. That's right. Had been. When did this robbery happen? Did it happen before he was arrested? Yes. Do you see another example of past perfect? Had been found. What is the difference between had been and had been found? We have an active and a passive form. Now, let's try and order the events. What happened first? A robbery. The pistol was found. He was arrested. And then they said that there'd been a robbery, that the pistol had been found. Why do we use past perfect tense? We use it when we talk about past actions, but be careful, we need to focus on the order. So we need to see which one happened first. Past perfect is a tense that we use to show that an action took place before another past action. In this case, the pistol, for example, had been found. We form it by using had plus past participle. Let's have a look at this example. I didn't have any money because I had lost my wallet. What happened first? First, I lost my wallet and therefore I didn't have any money. If you want to make a question, you just do the inversion. You put had in front. Let's look at this example. Had you ever visited England before your trip in 2010? If we want to use past perfect to show the duration before something in the past, we can use it that way as well. We want to show that something started in the past and continued up until another past action. For example, we had had that car for 5 years before we sold it. It's been our car for 5 years and then we sold it. Let's now go back to our song and let's look at the next example. And as they led him to the dog, he knew that he'd been wrong. Do you find the example? He'd been wrong. So did they arrest the right man? No. He knew that it would cost him dear, but yet he dare not say. Where he had been that fateful night, a secret it must stay. Do you see another example? Had been. Where he had been that fateful night, a secret it must stay. He was arrested. He's not guilty. He knows that, but still he must keep it a secret. I won't reveal it to you. You need to listen to the song and I want you to leave in the comment section below why does it have to stay a secret? Now that we studied the rules, I think that you're ready for some examples. Choose the right option. I hope that now you understand how and when to use past perfect tense. Please check the links below, find the song, listen to the lyrics, and try to remember past perfect in this way. If it was helpful, please like the video, share it, and if you have more suggestions, leave them in the comment section as well. And if you're interested in more content like this, consider subscribing to my channel. See you, bye!